Join me as I dive into the incredible innovations from SpaceX and challenge myself to explore how they're shaping the future of space travel. SpaceX is a company that's revolutionizing the space industry, and it's easy to see why. With their ambitious goals of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars, they're pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And with their recent successes, including numerous successful launches and landings, it's clear that they're well on their way to achieving those goals. Traditional space travel methods have been stagnant for decades, relying on outdated technology. These methods, developed during the mid-20th century, have seen little advancement, and the same basic principles are still in use today, despite the rapid technological progress in other fields. And inefficient practices. The cost of accessing space is still prohibitively high, making it inaccessible to all but the wealthiest governments and corporations. The financial burden of launching a single mission can run into billions of dollars, which limits the frequency and scope of space exploration, hindering our ability to explore the cosmos. But the biggest challenge facing space travel today is the lack of innovation. For too long, we've been relying on the same old methods rather than pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The designs of rockets and spacecraft have remained largely unchanged, and the processes involved in preparing for a mission are still labor-intensive and time-consuming, requiring extensive human effort and coordination. This lack of innovation has led to a stagnant industry where progress is slow and costly. Delays in project timelines are common, and the bureaucratic red tape often stifles creativity and new ideas. The slow pace of development means that many promising projects never get off the ground, leaving potential breakthroughs unrealized. The result is that space travel remains the domain of the elite rather than being open to everyone. Only a select few, often those with significant financial resources or government backing, can afford to venture into space. This exclusivity prevents the broader population from experiencing the wonders of space travel and limits the potential for widespread scientific discovery and innovation, which could benefit all of humanity. However, there is hope on the horizon. New companies and technologies are emerging, aiming to revolutionize space travel. These innovations promise to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and make space more accessible to all. The future of space travel could be bright, but it will require a concerted effort to break free from the constraints of traditional methods and embrace new possibilities, fostering a new era of exploration and discovery. But SpaceX is changing that by bringing a much-needed injection of innovation and disruption to the industry. They're not afraid to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom, and it's this approach that's allowing them to make such rapid progress. One of the biggest obstacles to space travel is the cost of launching payloads into orbit. The sheer expense involved in sending equipment, satellites, and other payloads into space has been a significant barrier for decades, hindering progress and innovation. It's an expensive and inefficient process, with the cost of a single launch often running into hundreds of millions of dollars. These high costs have limited space exploration to only the wealthiest nations and organizations, making it an exclusive and often prohibitive endeavor out of reach for many. But SpaceX is changing that with their reusable rockets. By innovating in rocket technology, they are making space more accessible. Their Falcon 9 rockets are designed to be reused multiple times, which drastically cuts down the cost per launch, making it more feasible for a wider range of missions. By developing rockets that can return to Earth after launch, they're able to significantly reduce the cost of access to space. This reusability means that instead of building a new rocket for every mission, the same rocket can be refurbished and launched again, saving both time and resources and making the process more sustainable. It's a game changer, and one that's going to open up space travel to a whole new range of people and organizations. Smaller companies, research institutions, and even educational entities can now consider space missions that were previously out of reach, democratizing space exploration. And it's not just the cost. Reusable rockets also allow for a much faster turnaround time between launches. This means that missions can be planned and executed more quickly, without the long delays traditionally associated with space travel, enhancing efficiency, which is going to enable a whole new level of flexibility and responsiveness in space travel. The ability to launch more frequently and on shorter notice opens up possibilities for rapid deployment of satellites, timely scientific experiments, and even emergency missions. This new era of space travel is poised to revolutionize our approach to exploring and utilizing space, making it more dynamic and accessible than ever before, heralding a new dawn in space exploration. But it's not just their rockets that are innovative. SpaceX is also pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their Starship project. This ambitious program aims to develop a reusable spacecraft capable of taking both people and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It's a massive undertaking, but one that could have a huge impact on the future of space travel. By providing a reusable spacecraft capable of carrying large payloads, SpaceX is going to make it possible for people to travel to the Moon and Mars in a way that's both cost-effective, efficient, and sustainable. In April 2020, SpaceX made history by successfully launching and landing a crewed spacecraft, the Crew Dragon. It was a major milestone, and one that marked a significant step forward in their ambitions to enable human spaceflight. The successful launch and landing of the Crew Dragon demonstrated the impressive capabilities of SpaceX's reusable rockets and showed that they're well on their way to achieving their ultimate goal of establishing a human settlement on Mars. It's a huge achievement and one that's going to have a major impact on the future of space travel and exploration. The implications of SpaceX's advancements are huge. With each successful launch and mission, SpaceX is not just making headlines, they are paving the way for a future where space travel becomes a routine part of human life, much like air travel today. They're going to enable a whole new level of access to space, making it possible for people and organizations to travel to the Moon and Mars in a way that's both cost-effective and sustainable. Imagine a future where space tourism is as common as international flights, where students can take field trips to the Moon, and where businesses can set up operations on Mars, creating new economic opportunities. They're going to enable a new era of space exploration where humans are able to travel to other planets and establish settlements there. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's becoming a tangible reality. The dream of living on another planet, of waking up to a Martian sunrise, is closer than ever before, bringing with it new challenges and opportunities. And they're going to open up a whole new range of possibilities for humanity, from mining the resources of the Moon and Mars. These celestial bodies are rich in minerals and other resources that could be crucial for sustaining human life and advancing our technology. Mining operations could provide the materials needed for building habitats, creating fuel, and even generating power, making space colonization more feasible, to establishing permanent human settlements on other planets. These settlements could serve as research hubs, tourist destinations, and even new homes for future generations. The idea of a multi-planetary species is no longer a distant dream but a foreseeable future, one that could redefine what it means to be human. SpaceX is changing the landscape of space travel, and the potential implications for humanity's future in space are huge. Their innovations are not just about reaching new destinations, but about making space accessible to everyone. This democratization of space could lead to unprecedented advancements in science, technology, and even culture, fostering a new era of human achievement. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible and enabling a whole new level of access to space. As we look to the stars, we can see a future where humanity is not confined to Earth, but is exploring, living, and thriving across the solar system. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination and determination. What do you think about SpaceX's impact on the future of space travel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about SpaceX and their innovations, be sure to check out some of the related videos on my channel. In this chapter, we will delve deeper into the future prospects of SpaceX and its potential impact on space travel and exploration. We will explore upcoming projects, technological advancements, and the vision SpaceX has for the next decade. Stay tuned as we uncover the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of space travel. Pause 2S. The future of SpaceX is nothing short of visionary. With plans to establish a human colony on Mars, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Their upcoming Starship missions aim to create a sustainable presence on the Red Planet, revolutionizing how we think about interplanetary travel. Pause 2S. In addition to Mars colonization, SpaceX is working on the Starlink project, which aims to provide global internet coverage through a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. This project has the potential to connect even the most remote areas of our planet, bridging the digital divide and fostering global communication. Pause 2S. Technological advancements are at the core of SpaceX's future. The development of reusable rockets, advancements in propulsion systems, and innovative spacecraft designs are just a few examples of how SpaceX is setting new standards in the aerospace industry. These innovations not only make space travel more efficient, but also more accessible to a broader range of missions and organizations. Pause 2S. SpaceX's vision for the next decade is ambitious yet achievable. With a relentless focus on innovation, sustainability, and exploration, they are poised to transform our understanding of space and our place within it. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey has only just begun. Pause 2S. So what do you think about SpaceX's bold vision for the future? Are you excited about the prospect of human settlements on Mars or the potential for global internet coverage? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on SpaceX and other groundbreaking innovations in space travel. Pause 2S. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up at the stars. In this chapter, we will take a closer look at the global impact of SpaceX's achievements. We will discuss how SpaceX is influencing other space agencies and private companies, and how it is shaping the future of space exploration on a global scale. Join us as we explore the ripple effects of SpaceX's innovations. Pause 2S. SpaceX's revolutionary approach to space travel has not only set new standards, but has also sparked a wave of innovation across the globe. Traditional space agencies like NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos are rethinking their strategies and adopting new technologies inspired by SpaceX's successes. Pause 2S. Moreover, private companies around the world are entering the space race, motivated by SpaceX's accomplishments. Companies like Blue Origin, Rocket Lab, and others are developing their own reusable rockets and advanced spacecraft, aiming to make space more accessible and affordable. Pause 2S. International collaborations are also on the rise, with countries like India, China, and Japan partnering with private enterprises to push the boundaries of space exploration. SpaceX's achievements have demonstrated that with the right vision and technology, the sky is no longer the limit. Pause 2S. The ripple effects of SpaceX's innovations are profound, shaping policies, encouraging investment, and fostering a new era of global cooperation in space. As we look to the future, the impact of SpaceX will continue to resonate, inspiring generations to come and paving the way for a truly interconnected and exploratory human civilization. Pause 2S. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the global impact of SpaceX. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of space exploration. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. In this concluding chapter, we will summarize the key points discussed throughout the video. We will reflect on the revolutionary changes brought by SpaceX, the challenges overcome, and the promising future that lies ahead. From the inception of SpaceX, it has been a beacon of innovation and ambition. We began with the revolution of SpaceX, understanding how it broke the mold of traditional space travel. Despite facing numerous challenges, SpaceX's innovative approach turned obstacles into stepping stones. The game-changing technologies such as reusable rockets and the ambitious Starship project have redefined what is possible in space travel. The Crew Dragon milestone marked a significant achievement, showcasing SpaceX's capability to safely transport humans to space and back. The implications of SpaceX's advancements are far-reaching, impacting future missions and sparking a new era of space exploration. As we explored the ripple effect of SpaceX's innovations, we saw how it has influenced global space agencies, private companies, and international collaborations. SpaceX stands as a testament to the power of vision, technology, and relentless pursuit of progress. Its journey is a story of overcoming adversity, pushing boundaries, and inspiring a new generation of explorers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of SpaceX and its groundbreaking contributions to space travel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of space exploration. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.